When we demoed this balcony, we ran into another issue. We could tell they had already done a repair because they were sisters already. So when we opened it up, that balcony kind of came down. Basically, all of the floor joists that were coming out were completely rotted. So we had to remove the flooring inside the bedroom. We had to secure new floor joists to the existing all the way into the bedroom. This structural repair was a little pricey. I think it was about 25,000 to do the structural repair, do the put scaffolding, do roof stucco because we had to obviously take out the stucco and redo it. Floor joists, new flooring inside, new door, new sliding door. So what could have been, a $5,000 repair ended up being a 30 think about like 30 months. This is really worst case scenario. If you don't take care of balconies, what happens is water will just get in there and start rotting away at the structure.